Hi there, I'm Hai Nguyen, a digital marketing expert with over 10 years of hands-on experience running Facebook automation and lead generation campaigns. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use MKT UID to extract all member UIDs from any Facebook group, one of the most powerful ways to build a highly targeted lead list for your business. If you do Facebook marketing, you know that groups are where real people with real interests hang out, whether they're discussing real estate, parenting, fashion, or business. Tapping into the right group means you get access to a filtered audience that's already engaged in your niche. But finding and reaching each person manually is nearly impossible. That's why using MKT UID's Group Member Scraper feature is such a time-saving and game-changing tool. Here's how it works. First, you copy the Facebook group link, for example, real estate HCMC, startup community, mom and baby deals, or any niche community your business targets. Then, open MKT UID, go to the Extract Group Members feature, paste the group link, and click Start. The software will automatically begin scanning the group and collecting member data such as UID, name, gender, and more. Once the scan is complete, you can export the data to Excel or push it directly into tools like MKT CARE to launch auto messaging, auto friend requests, or even Facebook ads targeting through custom audiences. This function gives you a huge edge because you'll be working with real user data from an engaged community that already shares interests related to your product or service. A highly qualified list without any cold guessing. A few pro tips: focus on groups with 5,000 to 50,000 members and check their recent activity to avoid inactive groups. Also, combine multiple groups in the same niche to widen your lead pool while keeping relevance high. You can then plug those UIDs into MKT CARE to start inbox campaigns, run seeding strategies, or push them into your ad funnel for remarketing. If you'd like help installing MKT UID, building a data-to-leads strategy, or connecting MKT UID with MKT CARE for a full automation system, feel free to contact me. WhatsApp, +84 9616 897 686. Telegram, @Hai Nguyen MKT 86. Facebook, https://www.facebook.com/imk.86. I'm Hai Nguyen MKT. Thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you found this video useful. See you in the next one for more real-world automation and digital marketing tactics.